If you want to have a comeback in 2026, if you want to become the most successful, the best version of yourself, this is what you need to do. Tip number one, you cannot base your opinion of yourself based on something that is so dynamic and so fluctuating, which is the external opinions that other people have of you. Secret to all of your life's problems is this trash can. So what we're going to do is that we're going to open this up, right? And then all the people that judge you and criticize you and all the people that have nothing to do in their lives and are really unemployed, we're actually going to open this up, right? We're going to take them and we're going to stuff their head in here, and then we're going to take the garbage bin. What do we do with the garbage bin? We throw it in the trash can. So we take the bag, and it'll become a little fat because a lot of the people that judge you are fat because they don't take care of themselves enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna do a little thing like this, and we're gonna go like this. The opinions that other people have of you are never going to be constant. They will constantly change from person to person. If you are basing what you think about yourself, your sense of self-worth, your confidence over other people, then you will never become confident. You will always hate yourself. You will always feel like people are judging you because people do judge. There's going to be a small minority of people or a small majority of people. I don't really care how many people there are. People are going to judge you initially. When you're in level 1 and level 2, that is the most courageous step that you need to take. Level 1 is the hardest step for anybody to take. Why is it so hard? Because of the fact that at level 1, you're at the same level as everybody else. So that's why people are going to judge you, because the reality is that everybody starts from 0. But starting from 0 is embarrassing because at the current moment, you have nothing to flex about. There's no kind of results that you're getting. The only thing is you need to take that first step and be courageous and stand out, which people will dislike because they are not willing to take that step and go to level number 2. Okay, now once you're at level number 2 and you've actually gained some success, right? You're getting some momentum, then you go up to level number 3. Then these people that are level number 1 and they're so stagnant and they don't want to change, these people are going to look at you and be like, wow, you're a role model. You're so inspirational. Then you start going up and up and up, and these people will say, I used to know this person. This person used to be my friend. This person used to have some sort of relation with me. You will become a status symbol for them. That's the reality. I'm telling you, people will start loving associating with you all because of the fact you took courage. Okay? You need to have a comeback in 2026. We cannot continue living life in this way. Okay? What your relatives, what society, what people at large think about you is none of your business. These are these own people's projections of their own insecurities. Why is this your problem? Are you a therapist? Are you a therapist ready to take up everybody else's emotional baggage? Everyone else's emotional baggage and their projections of their own insecurities onto you is something that you need to deal with? What's going to happen if you cut off ties with them for a little while? What's going to happen if you distance yourself from them? What's going to happen if you just tell them that you're not comfortable with talking to them anymore because of their energy? What's going to happen? You're going to live a better life. You are going to become a person that everybody will say that I was wrong about this person. Prove them wrong. Let that be your motivation. Prove them wrong. And another thing is, I always say this. I say this constantly. Are these people going to pay your bills? We all have bills. We all have bills to pay. We all need financial security in our life. When it comes to business ventures, when it comes to becoming a better version of yourself, all of these things have some sort of investment required. And if you're honestly allowing other people's opinions to dictate what you do with yourself and what you do with your money, what you do with your future, then honestly, that is going to put you in such a low and dark place. So now I'm going to leave the decision up to you. It is up to you now that what you're going to do with the rest of 2025 and with the beginning of 2026. Are you going to allow the opinions of these people to dictate your life, or are you going to distance yourself from them, lock yourself in a room, distance yourself from them, and actually work on bettering yourself and becoming the best version of yourself so you can have the biggest comeback come 2026, come the next year of your life when you've actually achieved everything you've ever wanted to achieve. All it takes is 6 months. All it takes is 1 year. You will become somebody else. And you want that transformation, but for that transformation, you have to leave back old habits, old people, old mindsets. All of that needs to go and needs to make space for the new life that you are about to live. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this with people that you really do think need it. At the end of the day, our whole life is dependent on our mindset, and that's exactly what I cover in this channel to help you become a more confident, happy, successful, just becoming the best version of yourself overall. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.